Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Yesterday I left off having cut one of the 3 cedars. This morning I'm going to cut the other 2. In order to cut this one, this is the next biggest, so this is where I'm going to start. I need to get rid of this honeysuckle and a bunch of little trees here. Otherwise it's not even going to fall. It has to come out this way, and there's quite the mess here. I didn't even think of that. Hopefully I can get the 2 cedars that I want to get out today, but it may be that I can only get one out today as well, but we'll see. I'll take the chainsaw to this. It'll go pretty quick, I think. Let's get at it. Everything is just drenched out here, so it's a little hazardous. We got mud here. We had a very heavy frost last night, so I'm gonna have to be a little extra careful because I'm going to be working on the side of a hill. Okay, what do I do? It looks like I should probably take out these 2 trees, which are 5-6 inch diameter, push them this way, and take out this honeysuckle. Then I should go get the brush cutter and clear out a bunch more. Then I will have easy access to the cedar, where I need to hack my way in like I did yesterday to get at the trunk, and then fell it this way where this stuff used to be. Okay, that's my plan. Okay, not too bad. That first one, the largest one, went right up into this opening. I don't know why the hell I thought I could drop it this way, but that's not what it wanted to do. I had to drop them all this way. And I got to do the same with this one. This one's actually entangled in the tree less than those 2 because it's so short. But now I need to drag the trees I cut, drag them out of here, and then I'll get all of this smaller stuff with the brush cutter, drag those up into the pile as well, then come back and tackle this. Well, that's the end of the brush cutting for today. Got some equipment failure here. Can't say I blame Husqvarna for that. I've been beating the snot out of this thing all summer. It's easily the most reliable forestry tool I have. The Husqvarna saw, that's a Rancher 460, has some starting issues. It's not too bad, but it's not, 100% dependable. But that's all I need to do with this stuff. Anyways, I did a bit more than I came in expecting to do. I have wood scrap along here and some trees that fell that way, and that's fine. That road that I cleared a couple days ago, the Billy Road, is right down there, and I need to get in here and at least partially dice up this dead tree right here so that I can get in here easier to get the rest of this stuff. It's all tangled up in the tops of all these trees, and they have to go. So I'm going to start a fire down on the road there, and be a lot easier to throw it down than to trudge it up. So that's it for all that. I'm going to go grab some coffee and then come back and tackle the cedar number 2. Okay, finally I get to cut this sucker down. Both of them down. Now I just need to cut the limbs off, which is no easy task, and get the wood up into here somewhere. Anywhere except for that little triangle right there where the fire is going to be. I have about 45 minutes to go before I gotta take off, so I better get at it. Bigfoot is in the open air now. Look at the size of that buttress on this thing. It's just enormous. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Click on the update icon so you receive notice when we post new videos. And have yourself a great day.